Starting out a beautiful day, blue skies across much of the region. You may see a few cumulus in your area, but really you have to be in the northern counties. That's a front that's going to bring in a better chance for rain throughout the day today. But regardless, still very summer-like, still hot, humid, and a small chance for a few isolated showers as we get into the afternoon. Let's go ahead and recap yesterday because we did not see near as much production in isolated showers or thunder showers. There were a few from time to time. You can see how when it zooms in on a few of those that they pop up, but really the only thing that we have left over is what you see right there going through the northern counties. Go ahead and zoom in anywhere from Grant to Pendleton and getting into Bracken County. In fact, that's the heaviest of everything off to the north and east of Brooksville. That's it. At least for now. Give it some more time, and the heating will allow for this feature that you sort of see right here. It's a stalled out front. Basically, it's a cold front connected to a storm out east, a little bit of a warm front out west, and right in the middle is a stalled boundary. And as that continues to slide south, it's just enough instability to ramp up a batch of showers and storms kind of right along its flank. So we're going to continue to watch that throughout the afternoon and evening. The low will eventually slide south and east, and as it does, it might ramp up a better chance for a few showers and storms later in the day tomorrow. So especially on the eastern side as that low slides in, but then once it basically fizzles out, high pressure takes over, but we're still getting enough heat and enough moisture to allow for a few more showers and storms to get going each afternoon. Still the daytime heating driven activity. We're not expecting overnight showers or thunderstorms to come through. It's really going to be more so the boundary really flaring up as we're starting to get some better heating throughout the day. Notice how the bulk of the activity sits on the east side of Interstate 75, at least until we get into the afternoon tomorrow. And then we ramp back up the energy into the afternoon. And everyone throughout the next few days has between a 20 and 30% chance for seeing any kind of activity. So it's still going to be very, very hit and miss. But if you get one heavy downpour, a few lightning strikes, maybe a gust of wind, I mean, you know the drill because we've had it for the last 3 days. So we're going to keep that going. 91 to 92 tomorrow should be the hottest of the heat wave before temperatures start to back off. It will be slowly. So it's not like you really are going to be able to tell the difference. 92 to 89, really not that much of a difference, but it is going to be the slow descend back to cooler temperatures. What is going to happen, though, when we get those cooler temperatures is that the humidity is going to spike back up. So, yeah, tomorrow we get to 92 and the heat index is going to be 96, but 86 degrees on Friday, and we're still feeling like 91 because we have a more robust air mass with more moisture. So you put that together, and that's going to make it feel even warmer than it actually is when you factor that in. So for your 8-day forecast, notice how the rain icons, the thunderstorm icons are certainly coming back into play, but even then, really your chances don't start going up until we get to the end of the week as we're getting more of a frontal system, and this one with stronger bouts of fronts that will bring in better instability, more moisture, and a chance for those showers and thunderstorms. So really, until the end of the week, you still have that hit and miss chance, even as we're getting into the afternoon, evening. Temperatures very hot, overnight lows very warm, so not much relief from that heat. As we're getting into the 4th of July holiday, it's still looking like about a 40% chance. So you're going to have plenty of time to get outdoors, especially in the morning, the early afternoon. And then as we get towards the end of the day, that's when those showers and storms will start to ramp back up. But the best energy still is looking at the end of the week when better chances for storms will arrive. More news after the break.